T.O.P. I can't believe I'm saying that, y'all. T.O.P. is back with a music video called Desperado, but not only just a music video, an album. Yes, I did not just make this up. It's an album. Am I dreaming? In the 2026? I'm going to check out the album on my Patreon. It's going to be uploaded for free. Go check it out. Go follow. What the fuck? Oh, will be up on the Patreon for free for y'all to check it out. Just all you gotta do is follow. I'm so early, I don't think I have subtitles yet. So I'm gonna have to check out the lyrics after this. In 3, oh, fuck, I'm nervous, bro. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Turn this up. Bruh. Is that on 4K? Put this in 4K. Hold on. Put it in 4K. Desperado. The man, the myth, the legend, T.O.P. Oh my god, I have hiccups. I think I got hiccups from just being nervous. Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
So special. What is that, lace? Hold up. Ooh. I would never think the day.
대한민국이 난 조금 유명한 친구 오늘부터 너의 생활은 좀 달라지건 너무 mad We're born again 두둠둠 사김두 나긋나긋 so cool 말이 필요 없지 넌 신의 한수 이 밤의 온도는 so hot 여름 난 녹고 있는 고드름 So I love you
Whoa.
Love you.
All the way to color? We hearing T.O.P's falsetto. Oh, he riding that chair. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Woo.
Chemistry like Jerry. Give me a clue. I want to break your rules.
Bro, he's so cool.
So I love you.
She just standing there. Hey, he be dancing? No choreo. Damn, he riding that. Hey. Damn, that deep ass contact. I don't know if I can survive. I don't know if y'all can survive that. Nah, we gotta check out the album now. Shout out to everybody that worked on this. Shout out to everybody. Bro, I can't even believe this is real right now. I can't believe this is even real right now. Like, where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Wait, hold on. Let me see something. Producer, colorist. Oh, he gave everybody a shout out, huh? You gotta shout out everybody, man. It's not just a one person thing. It's a team, y'all. What in the art piece is this? Bro, I have to replay. You know what we're gonna do? Replay. I can't believe he's back, to be honest. Put up on pom pom. I love how he simplified it too, like the beat. So you kind of focus on his words more. Can you believe? Can you believe he's back? I can't believe he's back. I'm like in cloud 9 right now. Hey, 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 so special. Hey. Hey. King Kong, ping pong. Ring a ring a ring a ding dong. Let's go, main dancer. Hey. Hey, hey. Talk your shit. Oh. Desperado. If you know, you know. He the main dancer. If you don't know, then you gotta do your research. It's the T.O.P's back, y'all. Now we're gonna check out the album. I can't wait to check out all the songs. I think it's 11 songs, not just this Desperado. I'm curious. I'm curious. First listen on Patreon right now. Go link in the description. Go check it out. Go stream the album. Go stream this music video. You already know. Damn. T.O.P's back. Ain't that something? Big Bang's gonna come back. Coachella tour. Where my VIPs at? Alright, put the comments down below what you guys think of T.O.P's Desperado. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy Dre. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.